In a forgotten part of America lies a peculiar town that has lost its own name, its streets echoing with the stories of a vibrant past that now lingers only in whispers. As the seasons changed, the remnants of lively gatherings and joyful moments faded away, leaving only the silence of what was once a thriving community. Memories linger like shadows captured in photographs that reveal the joy this town once experienced, now a haunting reminder of its cheerful days. In the heart of the town, a once grand fountain stands silent where laughter and chatter once danced in the air, now merely a relic of forgotten celebrations. The town's library, once a hub of knowledge and adventure, now sits shrouded in neglect, while the clock tower watches over a community that has lost track of its identity. Inside the diner, once filled with laughter and clinking cutlery, silence reigns, as the jukebox stands as a relic waiting to play its last tune in a town that has forgotten its melody. As new generations bloom, the remnants of the town's history fade away. Yet the laughter of children brings a glimmer of hope to the forgotten place.